Hello friends, good morning to all of you. In last two videos of sequence and series I completed arithmetic progression. So now we'll go to what? Geometric progression, GP. Geometric progression. GP. A sequence is said to be in GP if there is common ratio between any two consecutive terms, that is T1, T2, T3 Tn be in GP if T2 upon T1 is equal to T3 upon T2 is equal to T4 upon T3, all are equal to Tn upon Tn minus 1 equal to R, which is common ratio. Nth term of GP if theorem, if A is first term and RB common ratio of GP, then prove that nth term of GP is Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. Let T1, T2, T3, T4, Tn be in GP where T1 is what? A. By definition of GP, we have T2 upon T1 is equal to T3 upon T2 is equal to T4 upon T3 and so on is equal to Tn upon Tn minus 1 is equal to common ratio R. Therefore, T2 upon T1 is equal to R. So this implies T2 is what? T1R. T1 is what? A, R. T3 upon T2 is what? R. So this implies T3 is what? T2R. And T2 is what? AR into R. AR square. T4 upon T3 is what? R. So T4 is what? T3 into R. And T3 is what? AR square into R. AR cube. Proceeding in this manner, we get, look here, fourth term is what? R power 3. Fourth term power 3. Third term power of R is what? 2. Second term power of R is what? 1. First term power of R is what? 0. No R means R raised to 0 is there, because R raised to 0 is 1. So power of R is what? 1 less than number of term. So here nth term A into power of R is what? N minus 1. So this is formula for nth term of GP. Some notes are there. Whenever we to find out three numbers in GP, then take them as A upon R, A, AR. Whenever we had to find four numbers in GP, then take them as A upon R cube, A upon R, AR, AR cube. Whenever we had to find five numbers in GP, then take them as A upon R square, A upon R, A, AR, AR square. Note number 4th. If each term of GP are multiplied by or divided by some number k, then the resulting sequence will also be in GP. If x1, x2, x3, x4 ... and y1, y2, y3, y4 dot 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 be two GPs, then x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4 will also be in GP. And x1 upon y1, x2 upon y2, x3 upon y3, x4 upon y4 will also be in GP. If x1, x2, x3, x4 are in GP, then log x1, log x2, log x3, log x4 will be in AP. And vice versa. That is, if log x, log x1, log x2, log x3 are in AP, then x1, x2, x3, x4 will be in GP. See some questions on GP. Nth term of GP. The first and second terms of GP are x raised to minus 4 and x raised to n respectively. And eighth term is 52, x raised to 52. Then find n. Here, first term is what? A, which is x raised to minus 4, and second term T2 is x raised to n, and eighth term is what? X raised to 52. What is common ratio R? Second term upon first term. Second term is what? X raised to n upon x raised to minus 4 will give you x raised to n plus 4. Now eighth term is what? A into r raised to 7. So x raised to 52 is what? X raised to minus 4 into x raised to n plus 4 raised to 7. So x raised to 52 is what? Now power of power gets multiplied. So x raised to 7n plus 28. So x raised to 52 is what? X raised to 7n plus 24. Therefore 7n plus 24 is what? So 7n is what? 28. N will be 4. If A, B, C are in GP, then prove that 1 upon A square minus B square plus 1 upon B square is equal to 1 upon B square minus C square. Since A, B, C are in GP, so this implies B square is what? AC. Consider 1 upon a square minus b square plus 1 upon b square, which is equal to 1 upon a square minus ac. B square is what? AC. Plus 1 upon AC. Reason from 1. 1 upon a into a minus c plus 1 upon AC. So LCM is what? A, C, a minus c. So I'll get c here plus c into a minus c. A, c and a minus c. So divide this. A into a minus c will give you c. AC divide, you will get a minus c. Will give you what? C will get cancelled. A upon AC into a minus c, which is what? 1 upon c into a minus c. This right equation number star. Consider 1 upon b square minus c. B square is what? AC minus c square. C common will give you what? A minus c. You write this as equation double star. From star and double star, we get 1 upon a square minus b square plus 1 upon b square is equal to 1 upon b square minus c square as required. If a, b, c are in GP, then find the value of b minus a upon b minus c plus b plus a upon b plus c. Since a, b, c are in GP, so this implies b square is what? AC. Equation number 1. Consider b minus a upon b minus c plus b plus a upon, take LCM, b minus c into b plus c. So I'll get b minus a into b plus c plus b minus c into b plus a. Multiply numerator. So b square plus bc minus ab minus ac plus b square plus ab minus bc minus ac upon b square minus, now b square plus b square will give you 2b square plus bc minus ab plus ab will get cancelled, minus ac minus 2ac upon b square minus, numerator will be what? 2ac minus 2ac upon ac minus c square, reason from 1. So 0 upon c into a minus c will be 0. So the value of this is what? 0. So last time we started problems on geometric progression. In that series only we are continuing. This is problem number 4th. The product of three numbers in GP is 125 and sum of their products taken in pair is 87.5. Find the numbers. Let required three numbers in GPB A upon R, A, AR. According to problem, A upon R into A into AR is 125. R will get cancelled. So A cube is what? 125 is what? 5 cube. So A will be what? 5. Again, sum of their products taken in a pair. So A upon R into A plus A into AR plus A upon R into AR. Is 87, and this is mixed fraction, 87 and half. So this will give you A square by R plus A square R plus A square is equal to 175 by 2. Now we can take A square common. So in bracket you will get 1 upon R plus 1 is equal to 175 upon, and A square will become what? A is 5. 25 into 1 plus R square plus R divided by R is equal to 175 upon 2. 25 and 175 we can cancel. So 1 plus R square by 2 by R is equal to 7 by 2. Now cross multiply. 2R square plus 2R plus 2 is equal to 7R. 2R square minus 5R plus 2 is equal to 0. Factors are 4 1 ja 4. So 2R square minus 4R minus R plus 2 is equal to 0. 2R common, R minus 2 minus 1 common. So R minus 2 common. So we'll get 2R minus 1. So R is equal to 2, or R is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, required three numbers in GPB A upon R, A, AR, that is 5 upon 2, 5 into 2 is what? 10. Or if you take 1 by 2, then 10, 5 upon 2. Find three numbers in GP whose sum is 21 and sum of their squares is what? 189. Let the required three numbers in GP be A upon R plus A, sorry, A upon R comma A comma AR according to problem A upon R plus A plus AR is 21. This will write equation number 1. Again, A square upon R square plus A square plus A square R square is what? 189. From 1, A upon R plus A plus AR is squaring both sides. So A upon R plus A plus AR square is equal to 21 square is what? 441. Now this is A plus B plus C square will give you what? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB. 2AB will give you what? 2A square by R plus 2BC, 2A square R plus 2AC, 2A square is equal to 441. Now we'll take first three terms together. A square upon R square plus A square plus A square R square plus, we'll take 2A common. 2A common will give you what? A upon R plus AR plus A is equal to 441. From equation number 2, this is what? 189 plus 2A into, from equation number 1, this is 21 is equal to 441. Reason from 1 and 2. So 42A is equal to 441 minus 189. 42A is what? 252. A is what? 6. A we got 6. Therefore, equation 1 becomes A upon R plus A plus AR is equal to 21. A we got 6. So 6 upon R plus 6 plus 6R is what? 21. 6 you transfer on that side. So 6 upon R plus 6R. 21 minus 6 is what? 15. Divide by 3. So 2 upon R plus 2R. Multiply throughout by R. So 2 plus 2R square is equal to 5R. Bring 5R on this side. So 2R square minus 5R plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 into 2, 4. Factorize in such a way so that after addition you must get 5. 4 1 ja 4. तो 2r² माइनस 4r माइनस r प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. टेक 2r कॉमन, r minus 2 minus 1 common, so r minus 2 common will give it 2r minus 1. Therefore r is equal to 2 or r is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore required three numbers in GPB A upon R, AR, that is 6 upon 2, 6 into 2 or 6 into 2, 6 upon 2. That is 3, 6, 12 or 12, 6, 3. Find 5 numbers in GP such that their product is 1024 and fifth term is the square of the third term. Let required 5 numbers in GPB A upon R square, A upon R, AR, AR square. According to problem, A upon R square into A upon R into A into AR into AR square is 1024. Now R square R will get cancel. You'll get A raised to 5 is equal to 4 raised to 5. So A will be 5. Again, fifth term is what? Square of third. AR square is what? Fifth term is what? AR square, and third term is what? A. One A will get cancel. Sorry, R square is what? A is what? 4. So A cancel. R square is what? A. R square will be 4. R will be plus minus 2. Therefore, required 5 numbers in GP will be A upon R square, A upon R, AR, AR square. That is A is what? 4 upon 2, 4 upon 4, 4 upon 2, 4, 4 into 2, 4 into 4. Or when you replace minus 2, you'll get 4 upon 4, 4 upon minus 2, 4, 4 into minus 2, 4 into 4. That is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Or 1 minus 2, 4, -8, 16. Next problem. If P, Q, R, S are in GP, show that P plus Q, Q plus R plus S are also in GP. Since P, Q, R, S are in GP, therefore Q upon P is same as R upon Q is same as S upon R, and we'll take all equal to K. Say the ratios are equal and equal to K, say. So this will give you Q upon P is equal to K, R upon Q is equal to K, S upon R is equal to K. So Q is what? PK. R is what? QK. And Q is what? PK into K. So R will be what? PK square. And S is what? RK. R is what? PK square into K will give you PK cube. This is S. Now what we have to prove? To prove that P plus Q, Q plus R plus S are in GP. That is to prove that Q plus R upon P plus Q is same as R plus S upon Q plus R. So finally we have to prove this. Consider Q plus R upon P plus Q. Q is what? PK, and R is what? PK square. P is P and Q is what? PK. PK common in numerator. So you'll get 1 plus K and P common in denominator. So now P and 1 plus K cancel. K is left. Write this as equation star. Now we'll go to what? R upon A, R plus S upon Q plus R. Consider R plus S upon Q plus R. R is what? PK square. S is PK cube. And Q is what? PK. And R is what? PK square. So we can take PK square common in numerator. So we'll get 1 plus K upon PK common. 1 plus K, K and P cancel. So what is left? K. Write this as equation double star. From star and double star we get Q plus R upon P plus Q is equal to R plus S upon as required. Finally, we have to prove this. The number of bacteria in culture doubles every hour. If there were 50 bacteria originally in culture, how many bacteria will be there in culture after 5 hours and after n hours. Original number of bacteria is what? Which is A, first term, is 50. It doubles after every hour. Therefore, the growth of bacteria is as follow. Original 50, then after 1 hour 100, after 2 hours 200, 400, 800 and so on, which are in GP with A50 and R2. Therefore, number of bacteria after 5th hour is equal to, see, this is original, this is after first. Second term is what? After first hour. Third term is what? After second hour. Fourth term is what? After third hour. So after 5th hour will be what? 6th term. And by formula it is what? AR is to 5. So 50 into 2 raised to 5. 50 into 32 will give you 1600. They and number of bacteria after n hours is equal to T n plus 1th term, which is what? AR is to n. So 50 into 2 raised to n. Yes, next problem is a ball is dropped from height of 80 feet. It rebounds to height of 3/4 of the height it has fallen. How height does the ball rebounds on 6th bounce? How height does ball rebounds on nth bounce? Originally dropped from height of 80 feet. So A is what? 80. Height reached in first rebounds is equal to 3/4 into 80 will give you 60 feet. Height reached in second rebounds is equal to 3/4 of 60 feet will give you what? 45. Therefore, ball rebounds as follow: 80, 60, 45 and so on, which are in GP with A is equal to 80 and R is what? 3/4. 60/80 will give you what? 3/4. Now this is first rebounds. First rebounds means second term. Second rebounds means third term. They want sixth rebounds. Therefore, height reached in sixth rebounds will be seventh term. First rebounds means second term. Second rebounds means third term. So sixth rebounds will be seventh term. And seventh term of GP is what? AR raised to 6. A is 80 into 3/4 raised to 6 is the answer. Height reached in nth rebounds is equal to n plus 1th term, which is what? AR raised to n. 80 into 3/4 raised to n. Mosquitoes are growing at the rate 10% a year. If there were 200 mosquitoes in the beginning, find the number of mosquitoes after 3 years, after 10 years, and after n years. Original number of mosquitoes is equal to 200. After 1 year, number of mosquitoes will be what? 200 plus 10% of 200. 200 plus 10 into 200 upon 200 plus 20, 220. After second year, number of mosquitoes is equal to 220 plus increase. Increase is what? 10%. 220 plus 10 into 220 upon 100, 220 plus 22, 242, and so on. Therefore, number of mosquitoes after every year are as follow. This is beginning 200, 220 after 1 year, after second year 242, and so on, which are in GP with A200 and common ratio 220 upon 200, 11 upon 10. Therefore, number of mosquitoes after 3 years. See, this is after first year, second term. Second term is what? After first year. Third term is what? After second year. And after 3 years, it will be what? Fourth term, T4. And T4 is what? AR cube. 200 into 11 by 10 raised to 3. Second, number of mosquitoes after 10 years. Will be what? 11th term. AR raised to 10. 200 into 11 by 10 raised to 10. Number of mosquitoes after n years will be what? N plus 1th term. AR raised to n. A is 200 into 11 by 10 raised to n.